Wajib means obligatory and necessary, an act that must be performed. For example, the 5 daily prayers. You will be rewarded for performing it, but it will count as a sin if it was not performed. Mustahab means a recommended act. If you do a mustahab act, you will be rewarded, and if you don't do a mustahab act, it won't be a sin. For example, saying the adhan of prayer is highly mustahab. Haram is a forbidden act. It will count as a sin if you performed it intentionally. For example, eating pork and drinking alcohol are haram. Makruh is a disliked act. If you do a makruh act, it won't be a sin. If you avoid a makruh act, you will be rewarded. For example, urinating while standing is makruh. Mubah means permissible. There is no reward for performing it and no sin for neglecting it. For example, talking, drinking tea, catching a ball, and etc.